Today we have learned a great topic about anemia. Our many students and learned teachers give you different type of expression and teach you and tell you how you have to.
एक तो आयरन सिरप जैसे डेक्सोरेंज टैबलेट, चेरी टैबलेट या कई आजकल इंडिया में जो टॉप ब्रांड है वो लिखा था टैबलेट सिरप। इसके अलावा प्रोटीन पाउडर दूध में मिला के पीने के लिए। तो प्रोटीन और आयरन मिलकर बनाता है हेमोग्लोबिन। तो हेमोग्लोबिन मेंटेन होना बहुत जरूरी है। इफ देयर इज डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ हेमोग्लोबिन द पेशेंट विल सफर फ्रॉम ब्रेथलेसनेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड अस्थमा। अगर आपके बॉडी में आयरन की कमी हो गई तो आपको ब्रेथलेसनेस होगा, सांस लेने में परेशानी होगी। फिर क्रोनिक ब्रोंकाइटिस, सीओपीडी, क्रोनिक ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव पल्मोनरी डिजीज एंड आपको ब्रोंकाइटिस हो सकता है, एलर्जिक राइनाइटिस हो सकता है, कई प्रकार के कॉम्प्लिकेशन बढ़ सकते हैं। सो विद दिस वर्ड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू
staffs and my dear students. And sir has already said that awareness for anemia is being conducted by Government of India, and it is also incorporated by our students also in terms of posters, in terms of campaign. So today I will explain what is anemia, what is the significance of iron tablet, what is the significance of
the diet plays vital role.
Here are some points that can be included in an essay on Sri Anna. Nutritional value. Millets are a good source of protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, phosphorus, potassium and iron. They are all...
Everyone. Good morning to all of you. My name is Vikas Kumar Yadav from class 10th A. Today I say about anemia. Anemia is a condition in which the body does not have enough healthy red blood cell. Red blood cell provide oxygen to body cell. Cause of anemia. Although many parts of the body help make red blood cell, most of the work done is the
Anemia is a condition in which the number of red blood cells or the hemoglobin concentration within them is lower than normal. Hemoglobin is needed to carry oxygen, and if you have too few or abnormal red blood cells or not enough hemoglobin, there will be a decreased capital. My dear friends, today is 3 December and I am excited to talk topic about Sri Anna powerhouse of nutrients. Sri Anna and rice has been a staple food of millions worldwide, particularly in India. Used centuries, this humble grain is often misunderstood as mere carbohydrate, but it is powerhouse of nutrients, providing essential energy, vitamins, minerals and fiber. Emerging research suggests
tiredness, weakness, shortness of breath. Symptoms of anemia. Symptoms may include chest pain, dizziness, frequent infection, heart palpitation, headache, shortness of breath. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Today my speech on anemia. Anemia is a blood disorder that happens when you don't have enough red blood cell or your red blood cell does not work as they should. Some type of anemia are inherited, but people may also acquire or develop the condition during their lifetime. Some symptoms of anemia: chest pain, headache, pallor, frequent infection, shortness of breath, fatigue.
Iron deficiency often resulting from poor diet and chronic diseases or blood loss. Women, children and elders are particularly vulnerable. However, anemia is preventable and treatable when timely intervention. A balanced diet rich in iron, folic acid and vitamin B12 is key of preventing anemia. Would like speech learned.
आप सभी को सुप्रभात। मैं शिवानी दुबे कक्षा 10वीं वर्ग की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं यहाँ आप सभी को एनीमिया के बारे में कुछ जानकारी देने हेतु उपस्थित हूँ। मेगाब्लास्टिक अर्थात एनीमिया एक ऐसी स्थिति है जिसमें शरीर में पर्याप्त स्वस्थ लाल रक्त की कोशिकाएं नहीं होती हैं। लाल रक्त की कोशिकाएं शरीर में ऊतकों को ऑक्सीजन प्रदान करती हैं। आयरन की कमी से भी एनीमिया होता है। सामान्य रूप से एनीमिया 2 प्रकार के होते हैं।
Writer sir, principal sir, vice principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Good morning. morning, all of you. I share about Sri Anna, the nutritional powerhouse. Millets often refers to as Sri Anna represent a group of small-seeded cereals grain renowned for their remarkable health benefits and drought tolerance.
WHO estimates that 42% of children less than 5 years of age and 40% of pregnant women worldwide are anemic. Anemia can cause a range of the symptoms including fatigue, weakness, dizziness and drowsiness. Children and PG women are especially vulnerable with an increased risk of maternal and child